Welcome to Sonic Bros. Today I will go over the history of the Chuck E. Cheese's Pizza Time Theater Warblet animatronics. So the Warblettes are free singing black crows produced by Fantasy Forest and Kinetics. So here's a picture of them first seen at the San Jose, California location on Winchester Boulevard near Blossom Hill Road. And these guys were at that location up until 1978, and they got installed on May 17th, 1977. Then they replaced them with these Gen 2 versions, which they made them look more cutesy, as seen in this picture. And these guys were archived and sent to the Chuck E. Cheese's corporate office in Sunnyvale, California. Then they got moved to the Irving, Texas headquarters. Then, in 2006, a flood happened, and these guys, along with Pasquale and Jasper, got destroyed. But Chucky got saved. And this is Harold Goldbranson, who made the characters. Then he also made these in 1979 for the second ever Chuck E. Cheese in San Jose Cruiser Avenue, the Mopsy sisters. It's unknown what their names are, but they are sentient mops. Like Muppet mops, basically. They're super weird. And they were seeing this piece of concept art too. Then they eventually replaced them with the prototype cyberamic warblettes, most likely seen at some Pizza Time theaters that opened around 1980. And these guys were also seen at the Tucson location. And these guys were removed sometime around like the mid-80s. I believe like one lasted up until 1991. Then they replaced them with the finalized designs, non-portraits. And these are the warblettes that we know today. Honestly, these guys look pretty good. And the warblettes, actually, the ones on the right and the left actually have one leg each. So it's like this special effect almost. And these guys were seen at the Pizza Time theaters up until they got replaced with another design of them. The rainbow ones, which these guys, gals, look pretty good. An improvement for sure. And they're rainbow colored. Also nice hair, by the way. And they each wear necklaces to represent their colors, and they still have the same names. And these guys were removed around the mid-80s, around like 1987 or 1988, for the new guys or gals. The Singing Flowers debuted at the Rocker stage in Arlington, Texas. These guys and gals were singing flowers, who sang songs and stuff in sync. And by the way, the warblettes were Helen Henny's backup singers, actually. And there's many versions, such as the cyberamic version and the free stage version, which these guys sometimes have fabric faces and latex faces. And one full set exists today, which is a replica owned by Matt Rivera, the biggest Jasper T. Jealous fan. Also a couple other people own them, like replicas like Rockafire Moon and Moose Engineering. Now on to retrofits. These guys were seen at Banjo's Pizza Playhouse, and now they're at the American Treasure Tour Museum. These guys are called the Free Mercedes. I'm not sure how they're pronounced, but I know it's like a Spanish name for like bird trio or something. And these guys are green, and they honestly don't look that great. And these were seen at the Mexican Boomis Pizza Fiesta restaurant in Mexico, and I believe one exists. Then these ones at Jungle Gyms in Fairfield, Ohio, aka the world's wackiest grocery store, also known as the Disneyland of grocery stores. Then these weird knockoff versions seen at Dandy Bear, which these guys were produced by VP Productions for the Dandy Bear. And these were also seen at Dandy Bear, but they're like weird versions of the warblettes that don't look that great, but they still use the same mechanism. So anyways, guys, peace out.